friends, welcome to my channel CoderPK. So in today's class, I have been telling you a very amazing class of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this class, I will be telling you how to build a Google Map in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So now I will be not taking a long time, and please access my Python playlist and my HTML, CSS and JavaScript projects of also playlist. Here is, and I will be giving you to the card. Here you will be seeing my card. And now let's get started the video. So now let's get started. So like haven't I will be tell you we will be building a Google Map in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So now let's get started. So first of all I will be go to my file and I will be open my file like that. And now I will be open it into my C and I will be go to the here and now Control A and I will be paste them like that. And in the here we will be erase it and save. And now what you can do, we will be reshift it, and now here we will be erase, save, erase and save. And what we can do, we will be go to the here and now we will be side by side it. It is very small class 11 minutes and text. And now first of all we will be define it. First of all I will be begin and I will be side by side. And now we will begin and side by side. So first of all I will be give my like Dave I will be give like ID should be map, and now save, then refresh, and now till here my work is done. So what we can do, we will be go to my CSS file and here we will be write like hashtag map, height should be 100%, HTML comma body should be height should be 100%. It is your own choice what you will be give. And here we will be write like margin, and margin should be 0. Padding should be 0. Save and refresh, and nothing is coming because the all is work on like on to the I will be go to the script.js. Here we will be write like let should be map, and now here we will be write like function. Function should be int should be map, and then map, and here we will be write like that. Here we will be write like map should be new should be google.maps, and then .map should be document dot get element by ID, and now here we will be erasing by ID. But I will be zoom the code, you will be not saying like code accurately, so I will be zoom it and map. And here we will be write like comma, and here we will be write like center, so we will be that, and here we will be write like let, so will be minus 34.397, and here we will be write like comma, should be ing, so will be one ing, and now here we will be go and one ing, not here we will be write like I, so what here we will be write like lung, and here we will be write like 150.64, and now 64, and now 664 and comma, and here we will be write like zoom should be 8 and comma, then it's not coming, like I will be saved and refresh. So it is not coming, like you haven't seen, it is not coming. You will be write like that, and now we will be write like that, and now here we will be go, and we will be write like that, and here we will be write like that, and my zoom spelling is also should be zoom. You will be write like zoom, okay? Zoom, then save, then refresh. Yes, so now here we will be see it like my map is coming like easily, yes, and here you will be see it map is coming like that, and all things are coming, and here we will be plus sign, like I will be go to the here, and I will be from like I will be go to the here is the all countries are coming like Australia, New South Wales, all country, America, all country are coming like here, and now here we will be going, there is like here you will see it like the all countries coming like that. And now here we will be see it like I haven't tell you about the Google Map, my Google Map in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like, share and subscribe. So now I will meet you in next class. So for today, good. Bye.